To make quick chicken fajita bowls, start by slicing 1 pound of chicken breast into strips. Then season them with 1 tablespoon of fajita seasoning. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a pan over medium heat and cook the chicken for about 5 to 7 minutes until golden and cooked through. Next, add 1 sliced bell pepper and 1 sliced onion to the pan, cooking for an additional 5 minutes until they're tender but still crisp. While this simmers, prepare a bowl with cooked rice, then pile the chicken and veggies on top. For a time-saving tip, use pre-cooked rice packets that take just 90 seconds in the microwave. Finish your bowls with salsa, avocado, or cheese, and enjoy your quick, fresh meal.